Hi, this is for the first job. So basically, I cut this in the wall in here. So basically, I want this is a 26-inch wide space. I want to put a 24-inch door, a solid core door here. So basically, this is what it looks like now. Like this. Okay. So this is in the basement. So whatever framing and jam or whatever needs to be done and painted and clean everything, so make it a finished product. So this one, and this is the second one. So this one, let me back up a little bit. So this one is only 16 inches wide space, and whatever door can fit here. Basically, I just need to pass through it, that's all. But I do need the solid core door because the purpose is that I want to stop the sound. There's gonna be like a TV in that room, so I want to stop the sound from coming out. So this is what it looks like right now. And maybe you can open this, like if you need to go inside a little bit. I'm not sure. That's something you guys have to take a look at. But this is what it looks like right now, like this. So that's two doors. And turn on the light here. So this door right here, this is an existing door, and this is a hollow door, right? So I want to change this into a solid core door. So I mean, it's installed right now. So this is 1/3 inch thick. So basically, as you can see, this is a no panel slab door, and I want the same exact style door. I think they have it at Home Depot for like $93 or something. So same style door installed. So that's one, and this is the other one. See, these are both 30-inch doors, right? And one more door. So this is another door. So basically the same exact door. It's like 30 by 80, 30 inch door. So that's the door job.